Hi folks, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you haven't been before. My name is Watto and I wander about. That's Kim. Say hello, Kim.
Hello, Kim.
Kim wanders about as well. Was that you?
Yep, got a bit of a problem.
Oops. Today we're just going to have a really short walk along the front in a place called Rock. Very noisy in the background. Come on, let's go. So, Rock, here on the north coast of Cornwall. It's thought that it took its name from the quarry, which is now a car park. The rock from the quarry was used by sailing vessels who deposited their cargo in Padstow over there, if you can see behind me. So once they deposited their cargo, they used to use the rock for ballast. So that's where they reckon the name came from. It's very nice, very popular with affluent tourists, this area. A few famous names: Fayad's, Sainsbury's, even JK from Jamiroquai, which isn't easy to say, has used the helipad here. Hugh Grant, they've all stayed here. But it is famous for having one of the really nice beaches along the North Cornish coast, sometimes called the St Tropez of Britain. We'll see about that, but it is very nice. So this is the Camel estuary, the River Camel. There is a pair of ferries that run from Rock across to Padstow over there. You can see one coming back now, about every 20 minutes or so. If you want to park one side or the other, you can pop across and visit. I'm not sure whether you can pick this up on this camera, but birds that have made their nest there on the edge of the cliff. As far as beaches go, it's pretty damn good. If there's sand you're after, there's plenty here. All the way around. Beautiful. I'm just having a really nice walk along the beach first. There's Kim again, look, getting her shots. Don't forget, check her channel out, Kim's Pics 59. Link in the description. Some nice rock formations along this cliff here. And just miles of this gorgeous sand looking right the way across. Tide's quite low at the moment, which has exposed it all, but it is pretty impressive. Well, that gave you some idea of the area from above. I think it's absolutely beautiful. If you do get a chance to come to this part of the UK, Cornwall in the southwest of England, come to Rock. If only just to walk on this beautiful sandy beach. Just in case you wondered exactly where we were, we are there, Rock. Dropping down the slipway here past the sailing and water ski club, the other end of the little beach. Not quite as sandy as the other side, but views are stunning. If you can see up there, a row of holiday cottages are all being renovated and worked on at the moment. Money making machines they are. I like the way they've done the sea wall there with all the slate. Very nice.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? Getting my rocks off. Well, I don't know if you can see out there, you probably would have seen on my aerial shots I showed you a minute ago. There's the sandbars across here, and the beer drinkers among you will recognise the name of beer by Sharp's Brewery, which is just at a road from here, and it's called Doom Bar, and that's named after that sandbar that goes across the mouth of the estuary of the River Camel before it heads off out to sea there. So that is the Doom Bar, and it's made mainly of marine sand which is carried up from the seabed, and that's what they named the beer after. So when you're having a pint of Doom Bar, think of this area. But just no words really, just an absolutely stunning place, isn't it? It's beautiful. Cool. Apart from the bloke soaring in the background. Oh, maybe not do it here, eh? No, let's not do it here. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that little look at Rock here in North Cornwall. If you have, don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's face it, it's better than watching the telly. We'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, Kim.
Goodbye, Kim.
Bye, Kim.